Hello guys, we are searching so many beautiful colorful toy animals. As you can see, we found so many beautiful colorful toy animals. Guys, you can see green color chameleon, frog, zebra, deer, cheetah, so many beautiful colorful toy animals. So we are collecting all these animals. Wow, orange hen. What is this? This is a sea lion. Oh, a yellow stingray. White and black zebra, a seahorse, dinosaur, a white sheep, rhinoceros, cheetah, another deer, pink color whalefish, a green lizard, black and white cow, a white duck, cute tortoise, a green color frog. What is this? This is a swan, a deer, the king of jungle, lion, elephant, crocodile, white color polar bear, dolphin. It has longest neck, giraffe, spider, yeah, dangerous spider, cheetah, a horse, brown color bear, hippopotamus, seal, white and black panda, dinosaur, baby dinosaur, crab, a camel, red color lobster, dog, and last one is octopus.